So Kevin, thank you so much for joining RCR Wireless News at our Telecom Analytics event at CTI this year. What I'd like to do is maybe you could share with us some of the key points from your presentation today.
So I basically talked about where big data is right now in the telecom space and how it's sort of where we are and the boundaries that are being sort of set and how we push through them and sort of the research agenda. That's my role. I run the Advanced Analytics Lab at Sprint, and so sort of our research agenda right now around big data and where it's going to go.
And is Sprint in kind of the first inning, the fifth inning, or are you getting close to the ninth inning in terms of your ability to really leverage the data and understand the data and start using data to create value for your customers and the business as a whole?
We're probably about the third inning. It's not the first inning because we've been at it for about a year and a half now, but we are still just getting started in the sense that there's a lot of data and we haven't really been able to put the resources in place to be able to process all of it yet, but we're getting there. We have high hopes that by the end of this year we'll have some pretty significant infrastructure in place to be able to do that kind of work.
Can you share with us maybe some of the key milestones that you see for Sprint over the next 12 to 24 months?
I can't really speak for Sprint, but I mean for my own group I can tell you at this point, we would really like to start looking into the electronic data records. My group does a lot of things with different parts of the business. We're sort of the research group, and so there are a lot of smart people in all the business organizations, and when they have problems that they don't have the time or resources to deal with, they kick it over to us and we take a look at them. And so data fraud, for example, is an area that's completely untouched yet, and so we need to start looking at that. We've got a number of projects with marketing going right now, and so we'll be working that angle for quite some time.
What else can you tell us about your specific group?
Well, we're based in Burlingame, I suppose. We're a small group just of researchers, come from diverse backgrounds. Some people hold over from the wireless RF days, and then some people new that are data scientists in particular. The last guy I hired is actually a theoretical particle physicist. So we've got quite a wide set of skills for doing data processing, data analytics.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Perfect.